So we have the formula. What is the formula? A plus b whole power n equal. Any one you just tell me. Wait. NC naught a power n b power 0 plus NC1 a power n minus 1. These two we have to subtract and we should write in the power. Okay. And b power 1. This one we have to write as it is. Like that we will be writing till, what is that? NCn a power naught n minus n a power naught b power n. This n we are writing as it is. Understand? Like that we have to compare. Here we have x plus 1 whole power 6. One more we have x minus 1 whole power 6. That two we have to find separately. Later we'll add each other. You will be getting the result. Understand? Shall we go? Right. First I am going with what is that? X plus 1 whole power 6, which is equal to, here n value 6, a value x, b value 1, like that. Understand? Directly we are going now. So 6c naught x value, sorry, a is the x here. So x power n in the sense what here? 6. And b power this naught we have to give. Here b in the sense what actually? 1 power naught. Okay. Plus now 6c1 a power 6 minus 1, sorry, yeah, what is that? A value x, right, fine. B value 1, this 1 will come as it is. Better 1 you will leave it, because whatever the 1 power you will be getting as it is. Amava, you just leave it the 1. If you want to, you just continue. So 6c2, what is that? X power 6 minus 2 power 4. Okay, this is 1 power 2 you will be getting. And 6c3 x power 6 minus 3, 3. We have to subtract and we should write in the a power. Understand? And b power 1 whole power, this 3 you will be writing. Next 6c4 x into 6 minus 4, 2 and 1 power 4. Understand? Next 6c5, when we subtract, what I am getting when I subtract? 1 and 1 power 5. The last one, 6c6 x power what? My 6 minus 6 naught. See, till you are getting this same n and r, when you are getting same, till that you have to continue this formula. Okay, right. 1 power, what you will be getting? 6. That's it. When you simplify, you will be getting some value. See here. So when we have a naught, what I said? Answer is what? NC naught in the sense, what is the answer? 1. Okay, then x power 6 alone we have here. What is that remaining? Because 1 power 0 also 1. Leave it. Next step. NC 1 in the sense, n value as it is. That is 6 you will be writing. X power 5. 1 power 1 you will just leave it. 6c2. Here we will do 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial multiply. What you will be getting? 6 minus 2, 4 factorial. Simplify this. 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 2 into 1 into 4 factorial. 4 factorial and 4 factorial we can cancel. One time how many time? 3. Then 3 5s are 15. What I am getting here? Yeah, 6c2 in the sense 15 x power 4. Okay, 1 power 2 you just leave it as it is. And 6c3. Yeah, 6c3 in the sense 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 6 minus 3, 3 factorial you will be getting. Then 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 1 3 factorial you apply. 3 into 2 into 1 multiply 1 3 factorial. Now we can cancel this sum, right? Then remaining, see, 3 2s are 6 and this 6 will be cancelled. 5 4s are, yes, 20 you will be getting. So 6c3 in the sense 20 x power 3. X power 3, 1 power anything, just leave it as it is. And one more, what I have? 6c4. So 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial multiply, what it is? 6 minus 2, 2 factorial. This I already solved here. What I got? 15. What I got answer? 15. See, 6 factorial, 4 factorial multiply 2 factorial. The same answer we have here 15. So I am writing here 15 x power 2, 1 power 4 you leave it. When I have a consecutive number like 5 6 in the sense Same. Which number? 6. N value we have to use. Then 6 x power 1. And here x power 0, leave it. And this is what? 1. Okay, then 1 into 1, 1 only. That's it. Last number is 1. Is it understand, children? Right. Now, yeah, this is the final answer. You can stop. Okay, x power 1 x. If you want to write, you can write or else leave it. So this is x plus 1 whole power 6. So similarly, we can find x minus 1 whole power 6. Okay, so wherever you have a b power in odd, there you can apply negative. Am I right? So where you will be getting? So b power here you see 1. So you will be getting negative. Means first term positive, second term negative, third term positive, fourth term negative. Like that it will be going consecutively. Alternatively we can give like that. And same answer you just write what I am getting. X power 6 here minus 6 x power 5. Then plus 15 x power 4 minus 20 x power 3 plus 15 x square minus 6x plus 1. You just check once again. So x power 6 when we have what is that? 1 power 0. When we have a negative also anything power 0, 1. That is positive 1. Okay. And here when we have a x power 5, b power, that means wherever we have a minus 1 there. Okay. So 1 power 1, odd power. So negative we have to give for x power 5. Understand? And when we have a x power 4, this is what? What power this is? Even power. Even power in the sense positive. So x power 4 in the sense I have to give positive. Understand? Like that when we have a 1, see x power 3 in the sense 1 power 3. That is odd power. Odd in the sense negative. What I want to give? Negative for x power 3. X power 3 I gave negative. Have you noticed it? Like that 1 power 4 even. Even in the sense positive. So x power 2 in the sense positive. Clear? Like that 1 power 5 is a odd number. So for x power 1 I want to give negative. So x power 1 I gave a negative. Understand? And here at last what is the 1 power 6? That means even power. Even power in the sense plus. So I gave you a positive. Understand? So these two we have to do what here? In the question we have to add. Then add both. So what I am doing now here? X plus 1 whole power 6 plus x minus 1 whole power 6 equal to. When we add alternate sign means opposite sign will be cancelled, right? So x power 6 will be same sign. Then we are adding 2x power 6. And this will be opposite sign. Plus 6 minus 6 will be cancelled. Which is cancelled? X power 5, x power 5 term will be cancelled. Then x power 4 term will be there as it is. Then 15 plus 15, 30 x power 4. Then odd power, x power 3, x power 1 in positive, another one in negative. It will cancel. Then again we will go next term. 15 power x, what I am getting? 30 x power 2. Then plus 6x minus 6x will be cancelled. 1 plus 1, 2. That's it. This is our required answer. You can stop here. You can stop here. By using this, we want to find that one. Okay, shall we? Okay, this is our required. Now, similarly, we are going for that. Similarly, what it is? Root 2 plus 1 whole power 6 plus root 2 minus 1 whole power 6. So, wherever you have a x, you have to replace root 2. This is like extra, Raja. X. Wherever you have a x, you want to apply root 2. That's it. Understand? Shall we go now? So 2 into root 2 whole power 6. That's it. And here 30 into root 2 whole power 4 plus 30 into root 2 square plus 2, which is equal to, we have to give in the number. Understand? Right. So root 2 we have to write 6 times. What, my dear? 6 times. So 6 times if you are going in the same, root into root 2, 2 we are getting. Here one more 2, here one more 2. Then how many 2 we have? 3. 2 power 3? 8. That's it. Then this is what actually 8. Okay. Here I am writing 2 into 8, 16. I am going 16 directly plus like that. Root 2 power 4 in the sense we have to write 4 times root 2. Then what I am getting? Root into root 2, 2. Root into root 2, 2. 2 into 2? 4 you will be getting. What you will be getting? 4. 4 into 30. 4 3s are 12, then 1 0. Like that. Do you understand? Here what it is? Square. Square means root will cancel. Then 2 alone we have. Then 2 into 30, 60. Very good. What it is? 60 plus 2. Now you have to add this. What I'm getting? 120, 180, 196, 198. 198. This is my required answer. Understand, children? That's it, Rajan.